Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, my wife and I are playing a $100 challenge. We are basically, we spend $100, not spend, but we, looked up price of these cards, and our decks can't go over 100, but that's for main, extra side, etc. So I thought it'd be fun to do a $100 challenge. Yes, I picked, I can't speak right now. Salomon Grades up for 100, which is not a bad price at all. Good news is the deck can play around hand traps quite easily. Which I think is cool that it could do that. Makes it very resilient. Wait, why didn't it use the... Why didn't it gain its effect? Because you control this card. Summon the entire Great Sunlight Wolf as a material. The game is glitching, I guess. I haven't normal summoned yet. Do I have 5 Silent Grades in my grave? No. It still didn't work. What? That's weird. It's not letting me use that Sunlight Wolf's effect. Am I missing something, guys? That should work, right? Is it a bug? I think it's glitching. I need to report it. The wording on the card is weird, so I'm not sure. That sucks. You can just call one time a good card. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, it's not a mandatory effect. Cool. This deck can spam out a lot of cards. Actually, no, I will overlay. He's a pretty good card. Summon Gazelle. Use Gazelle. I don't know. I'll go, I guess. Nice field, huh? Hey. You don't think so? Hmm? I apologize for that, y'all guys. Wait, what?
Let's not do that.
Why?
Because it's taking forever.
I'm sorry. You impatient?
I could read a whole chapter of manga by now.
Apparently she's getting bored because I'm taking too long. I'm sorry, Dad. That can do a lot. Shuffle it back into the actual deck and then special summon him. That's retarded. Thinking I just need to cut him down to 1. I don't know why I'm playing multiples of him. I'll make this, fuck it. Too bad I wasn't a Link 5. Since the game is glitching anyway, it's not letting me make what I want. It's not letting me do what I wanted to. I'm not looking. Trust me. She doesn't understand that I don't need to look at her hand. I don't need to cheat to beat her. I am better than she is. She's like, fuck you. No, it's not! No, it's not. Anyway, ignoring her. What? Oh, that does work on that, huh? Why would I? No. Nope, not doing that. Okay. Okay. Thinking. Man, that graveyard, though. Too bad I don't have, like, a soul charge. That would have been insane. Soul charge would have made this really crazy. Because I have all of these monsters in my grave. What? Why is it decreased? Oh, because they're water. Little, the old little Chimera. It's funny. So her build spell was canceling out my monster's effect. So my monsters gain 500 from Little Chimera, and my monsters lose 500 from Lost World. Cool thing is though is that she still loses 500 from Little Chimera, so. It's not letting me change. What the hell? Oh, wait, it's damaged that. Fuck! I apologize for that. Also, what do you guys think of my new background? I think it's pretty cool. This is actually my logo or whatever on YouTube. Leaning on her. I'm giving her a hand. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I didn't want her going to like Link Spider and then Logia me. And then making Ultimate Conductor off the baby. Because like, so she could have Link Spider with Megalo X. And then she has Logia and Megalo Smasher X still on the field, overlaying the Logia. Banish the Megalo and the baby cells so in a graveyard to make Ultimate Conductor. That would have been an insanely good build against me. So I wanted to say nope. She can still now make Ultimate Conductor, but now she doesn't have Logia. So I'm not sure why she didn't use the effect. Cerebus. That's weird. Maybe something about I can't be targeted or something, I don't know. That's an insane field. That's still a pretty good build, Ultimate Conductor. So 14 cards left in that. Some scolding. I swear to God, that's a scolding. I'm gonna be so pissed. What was it? Caught by the Grave? Hun?
Nope. Start crying. That would have been good to run.
Yeah. Wait, what? sorry.
Gosh. That's okay.
That life points. Wait, what? Why didn't it destroy yours?
How?
I don't know how to play this stupid deck. Although I have a lot of life points, so that's good, right? Honestly, I should have played Lego Darkness. I know how to play it better. Well, hope you guys enjoyed them. Subscribe and everything in the comment section below. I just fucking lost. Like, I have no gods. Like, I have nothing. I don't. And I gotta do with another ultimate conductor. Wait, how did you get Giant Rex? Oh. And I gotta deal with Halakia, Dolka. Yeah, that's game. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Subscribe, know what you think in the comment section below. If y'all like this kind of video, let us know in the comment section, and we will do this again. I'll play a deck that I actually know how to play instead of this. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. I'll catch you guys later. TheJinzo, signing out. Bye.